Welcome to Mac McCullough Fishing. This is the third portion of our performance-related series, and today we're going to discuss two additional variables that are important in you achieving the maximum performance of your boat, and those two variables are engine setback and engine height. So don't go anywhere, and again, thanks for watching Mac McCullough Fishing. So let's discuss setback plates. Some boats come standard with a setback plate. Some come standard with a, I'm going to say, setback mechanism. And some don't have any setback at all. So what is a setback plate? It is a usually billeted aluminum plate that sets your engine away from your transom. Could be 4 inches, could be 6 inches, could be longer, 12 inches. Now, what are the benefits of a setback plate? Well, the first, and I'm going to say obvious benefit, is that it makes your boat longer. You get a 12-inch setback plate and you've got a 20-foot bass boat, all of a sudden you've got a 21-foot bass boat. From the point where the motor bolts to the setback plate to the tip of the bow, you've just extended your boat. And what is the benefit of doing that? Well, if we reimagine, please look at the image on the screen, that teeter-totter effect, you now allow that fulcrum effect when you add the setback plate to now have the ability to lift your bow higher on the surface of the water. The second variable is to understand engine height. Now, the obvious benefit of that is to be able to raise or lower your engine height on the transom. That allows you to do several things. One, raise it up if you're in very, very, very skinny water and still maintain water pressure. But also, you don't have to manually find the sweet spot for your engine in various water conditions. You may need different engine heights in rough water. You may need different engine heights in calm water. And to do that with a manual jack plate is, I don't know anyone that really does that. We have to know where you start with respect to engine height. So here's how you measure your engine height. Get a buddy, get yourself a steel straight edge. Place that straight edge on the bottom of your hull. Dead center on the center line of your pad and have it extend past the transom so that it hangs over the transom and is underneath your engine. The next thing is measure from the top of that straight edge to the underside of the engine clamp bracket. I'm going to pause here so you can see the video. Measure from the top of the straight edge to the underside of the engine clamp bracket. This, gentlemen, is your engine height starting point. And again, only change in increments of 1/4 of an inch. Go to the ramp, raise or lower by 1/4 of an inch, take it back out again, and this is if you have a manual jack plate, and then drive it, and then notice an improvement. Wow, this improved my hole shot, reduced the seconds of my hole shot, or improved my top end by X, and then mark it back to the launch ramp, make another adjustment up or down, and continue that improvement. That's how you know you are making improvements and where to stop, because at some point, either lowering or raising, you'll begin to go the other way in terms of performance. That's where you stop. Thank you for watching Mac McCullough Fishing. We're not talking about fishing today, we're talking about boat performance, which is a topic that is only secondary to actually catching fish. So if you have learned one little tidbit that will improve your boat performance, even by 1%, then please subscribe below, and I can keep these coming. Thank you very much, and I'll see you for the fourth video, which is propellers, which everyone wants to talk about. Thank you very much.